Time's up.
Baby, I'm too fed up with us. I can't take no more screaming, hurting each other's feelings. Baby, I'm just too tired to talk, and you don't wanna listen. It's better we leave it all behind.
So we're just coming out of the car park. We've arrived in Brentford. The team's out. And yeah, Forbes in for Bellegarde, the gaffer. Gaffer said it. What do you think, mate? You wanted Forbes in?
That's what I wanted. Needed a bit more pace, a bit more penetration. He's not doing enough for me, Bellegarde.
Yeah, and Gary O'Neill was obviously waiting until he said,
yeah.
And then the team got changed. Score prediction. Is it happening?
It's happening. 1-2, Wolves win.
What are you going for?
3-1.
1-2.
I'm going to go 2-0. We're going to keep a clean sheet as well. Come on, get this win, please.
It hasn't always been like this. Remember when we were in love? You were always there for me. We could talk for hours. I don't know what happened to us. Oh, 'cause we bring each other down right now.
You can't believe it. Everyone knows that Brentford scores really, really quick. There's so much positivity. And it's Nathan Collins. He's got to the byline. It's a free header. It's 1-0 in the first minute again for Brentford. Unbelievable. That could have been two. Yeah! Come on, that's a great return. Come on. Come on. Well, that's how you respond. Wolves first attack. It's 1-1. I think we played about 3-4 minutes. 1-1. We got down the side of them. And it's Matheus Cunha. We're all over the place. It's it! Oh! The referee's gone over to the box and he's been told to look by the VAR assistant. He's almost certainly going to give a penalty to Brentford. And VAR have told the, honestly, it's been given against Mario, showing it on the screen, saying holding. Oh, that's soft as hell. Here comes the penalty, big moment for Johnston. Come on, son, turn the tide. It's it! Yes! Come on! Lawson's a great finish. That's a great finish. Won't turn over the ball. Brown ain't already delivers it, and it's a great poacher's goal from Jurgen Strand Larsen. He gets his foot on it. Keeper doesn't see it. It's 2 each. And we've played about 25 minutes. Flipping hell, game of goals this is. Come on! defensively, absolutely crap. We are literally our own worst enemy. We've literally just scored and we brat about with it in our own area. Why didn't we just clear it? That's on Mario Lamina, that is. And it's 3-2 and we've not played even half an hour. How many goals do we have to score to win this game? Honest to God, we're just so bad defensively. Just terrible. Just watching this back. I mean, we had so many chances to clear that ball. And he's got in, it's a good finish, but really, he should never be in that position. It's just so poor. And we all from not clearing the ball. It's 3-2 Brentford. And there's the half-time whistle. And there's the boos from the Wolves fans. And you can't blame them. You cannot blame them. 4-2, we're so bad defensively. Yeah, we scored a couple of good goals. The penalty was soft, but they could have had 5, they could have had 6. It's that bad. We look like a defence, and you just can't defend Gary O'Neill. Unless we turn this around in the second half, I think he's got to go. And I hate saying it, but it's that bad. It's that bad. I cannot defend this. We cannot defend this anymore. So I've just been talking with Emma, and what did you say about Gary O'Neill? Half time.
I bet he doesn't make any changes, and if he watches that and thinks he can get away with no changes, it's ridiculous.
You saw like when we played Villa, manager made changes. We saw when we played Newcastle, manager made changes. Gary O'Neill's gambled his entire future of his career, I think, on this second half. And it needs to be one hell of a second half for Wolves, I think, for him to keep his job, because that was just unbelievably bad in the first half defensively. Let's see, they've kicked off. Wag's coming on, you can hear the boos. Gary O'Neill, what are you doing? You can hear it. You don't know. Said it all. Back post, Johnson's keeping us in the game. So, Carlos Forbes, who's done his best, coming off for Gonçalo Guedes. 68th minute, still 4-2 to Brentford. Could have been more. So Gomez is off now, he's brought Bellegarde on. Literally, I don't know how many attackers we're playing, he took another midfielder off. And we're on we're in the 78th minute, still 4-2. Know how to defend. done, man. The fans have started to turn today. Johnson does his best again, but he saves it, but there's a tap in, it's 5-2. There's no coming back from this. They've got to act. I can't say anything other than that. I really find it hard to say, but it is what it is. Oh, they're checking for a possible offside. Yeah, it's not offside. I mean, we're right in line. It didn't look offside. Fair play, 5-2. Right, I think Brentford they switched off a little bit there, being 5-2. Great goal from Ryan Aitnuri to make it 5-3, but what does it matter? It's a good finish from him. Wait for the boos when he blows the whistle. There it is. There it is. Time's up. Time's up. Absolutely dreadful performance from Wolves, defensively, especially. Okay, we scored 3 goals and conceded 5. It could have been 6, 7, 8, maybe even more if it wasn't for Sam Johnston. Absolutely shambolic, terrible, disgraceful performance. Enough is enough. So literally on the way back from the GTAC, a couple of hours after the game, been to the services. Is it time for Gary O'Neill to go? Lots of extenuating circumstances with injuries last year and the start of the season with who we've had to play this year. But after today's performance against a Brentford team with so many injuries, they scored 5, they could have had 10. If it weren't for some really good saves from Sam Johnston. The team just fell apart. We don't look like we've got any organisation structure. We've got a losing mentality. 1 win in 18 games. Something has to change. Something has to change. What's your thoughts? Check out the full fan reaction on Always Wolves Fan TV. But leave your thoughts in the comment section below on this too.
It's better we leave it all behind.